Hi, Hi, Suprabha. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, Suprabha?
I am fine, sir. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you. Suprabha, I just going through your profile, you mentioned that you done BSc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
BSc from which college?
Sir, Kamala Nehru Women's College from Bhubaneswar.
What is the short name we call in Kamala Nehru?
KNWC.
KNWC College. And what you studied there? I mean, what is your education you completed in Kamala Nehru College, Bhubaneswar?
Sir, in science, I have four subject in physics.
Physics.
Yes, sir.
Physics, which year you completed?
Sir, 2023.
23 completed physics.
Yes, sir.
As a physics student, how come you decided to go to the data science and a data analyst career? If you nowadays, if you observe the B.Tech, M.Tech student, even after technical graduation, they are thinking whether I'll go or not. As a BSc in physics, without any experience, fresher candidate, how you decided to move, how will start your career in data science and analytics?
Sir, there is no such background required for a data analyst job. I researched somewhere. So I think my educational background is fit for data analyst job. So I build my skill and tools to get, and I have some interest in data field. When I working in my father's, I am helping my father's business. There I have some interest in data field. So
Mm-hmm.
there I have a thought that I should go through a data analyst job. In online, I search data analyst and I refer some video and thought that there is no educational background required for the data analyst
The
job.
data.
I'm completely eligible for data analyst job.
Okay. Good. Excellent. So that decision, it is like a trending in market. People are jumping. Yes, true. There is not any background required for the data science. Yes, somebody has the average, any background, any sort of a communication, they can. That's a great decision. Nice. So coming to we want to know, as you know the very well that we are into USA company and working in Bangalore. We have a team around 100 team member, and I'm the program director here and dealing with the all the data management, data science, and governance. And we're looking some candidate, even as a junior or fresher level, who can join and independently without any minimum effort he or she can do the all the data science analytics work. This role is fit for you, Suprabha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. According to job description, I have the skill that mentioned in JD.
Okay. You think that you can able to manage the work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, excellent. So fine, Suprabha, we and a team want to know more about your education, your background, your introduction about your technicals. Can you bit elaborate details about your including project?
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Suprabha Srichandan. I am from Bhubaneswar, India. I have completed my BSc in physics from KNWC in 2023. Coming to my work experience, I have 1.4 year as a data analyst, data management, and reporting using SQL, Excel, Tableau, Python, and PPT. My daily tasks included to interact with a business leader or client, understand their requirement related to data. I am in well versed in Microsoft SQL Server, extracting, managing data in database, where I use SQL join, set operator, where clause, group by function, having clause, SQL function, ranking, store procedure, and build more complex query. And I have good knowledge in Microsoft Excel, where I use SQL filter, my SQL function, formulas, and VLOOKUP, pivot table, pivot chart. I have good knowledge in visualization tool like Tableau, where I build report and dashboard and shared with the concerned team. And I have a good understanding of data quality and data governance knowledge. I am good. I have good knowledge in also Python, including Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Thank
Very
you, sir.
nice. Excellent. I'm impressed your profile. Nice. Good. So we want to see, we want to more about, technical things, starting from database and SQL. What is database and which database you are using in your project?
So, database is the collection of organizing tables which can allows users to store, manage, and retrieve information efficiently. It also allows user to more volume of user to use them. I use Microsoft SQL Server.
Okay. Can you tell me that we are telling the software is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio? Can you
Yes.
define and elaborate what exactly that software?
So, Microsoft SQL Server is a SQL Microsoft SQL Server is a SQL query language. We do query through analysis in this database.
Correct.
Microsoft represent to the it is a company name, and
Yeah.
server it's a platform where we work there. We connected to the that server, and the SQL is a standard query language. We do access and manipulate data in database.
Okay. So SQL, structure query language. And in
Yes, sir.
data, we store structured data, correct? So, can you tell me what are the different other database also we store structured data?
Yes, sir. There are so many database in market like Oracle, MongoDB, IBM DB2, Vertica. Uh, so there are so many
Very
data
nice,
SQL
very
database.
nice. What is where clause and what are the different where clause operator you used for daily task for data analysis?
So where clause is used to filter the records. Where clause is used to extract only those record that fulfill the specified condition. And the operators we use in where clause like equal to, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, in, between, like, or, and operator, not in, not between.
Okay, very nice. Can you tell me there is a table, customer table, okay? The customer table has around 5 column: ID, customer name, customer amount, and a city. And the customer table contain around 5 lakh of records. So what I want, or your client want to see the data, they want to see the customer who are presently like in customer data, the city column is there, that is a Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar. So I right now the client and customer want to build a report, make sort of analysis that want to see only Bhubaneswar data. Can you write the syntax?
Uh, Sorry, sir. What is the table name?
Table name is customer, and there is a city column you want to see the data Bhubaneswar.
Sir, the syntax will be select start from customer where the city is equal to Bhubaneswar.
Very nice, excellent. What is SQL join and what are the different join is there?
Sir, SQL join is used to combine two or multiple tables based on common field between them. There are different types of join like inner join, outer join, cross join, and self join. In outer join, we split it into right join, left join, and full join. Sir, can I describe more about join?
No, no, no. Fine, fine, fine. Excellent. Yeah, excellent. What is difference between delete, drop, and truncate, and when we can use?
Sir, delayed drop and truncate we used for the delayed data, but delete is used to delete the particular data from database, and truncate is used to delete all data, but table structure will remain same. But in drop, we will delete data as well as the table structure.
Structure. All right. Excellent. So if you see, we do generally write for SQL a ranking function. So I want to see the second highest salary from a table. I want to know the concept. If you write the telling the code is fine, or the concept is telling how to find second highest salary from a employee table.
Sir, for this I use the dense rank function or the row number function. Uh, select.
The
Sorry,
concept
sir,
is
I
fine.
need
If you telling the concept is fine, I don't need syntax also. Yeah, dense rank concept.
dense rank. It assigns the rank number to each row in the partition, and it does not skip the similar number. Does not skip the number from a similar value in the table, and in row number it is assigned sequential rank number to each row in the table.
Okay.
So using this concept to concept dense rank and
Okay.
row number, we can find the second highest value.
Okay. Excellent. Tell me, Suprabha, there is a the business intelligence tool. Which business intelligence tool you are using?
Sir, I am using business intelligence tool like SQL and Tableau.
Have you ever used Excel and Advanced Excel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So tell me, what is pivot table in Excel?
Sir, pivot table is a important tool for data analyst to summarize or aggregate
Very
the
nice.
values, and it helps to find like group wise. It has four field like field value, sorry, row, column, and values. In field or row column, we can specify the column name, and we can measure the value from value, like we can do aggregate function, sum, average in this pivot table. And pivot table is used to
Got
summarize
it.
the data.
Got it.
uh,
Got it. Yeah. What is data validation? How you validate data in Excel?
Data validation is used to validate data, which we can restrict the entry of data to the in the table as per given criteria. In Excel tab, there is a there is a there
Yeah.
is a tab like
Tab
data validation.
validation. Yes.
We select, we can apply data validation and given the condition, and there is also be alert messages like stop, warning. For
Yes. Got it.
sensitive data, we
Got it.
can.
Yeah. You mentioned that in your resume, one point I checking that VLOOKUP frequently using. What is a VLOOKUP and what is the formula of VLOOKUP?
The VLOOKUP is used to look up value vertically, but in depth we can see that VLOOKUP searches for the first column in the row and then move across the row wise and return a value from a vertical oriented list. And VLOOKUP function will be equals to VLOOKUP lookup value table array, column index number, and range lookup. Lookup value refers to the data from the database, and table array refers to the reference table that we use for matching data, and the column index number will be the column number from the table array, and range lookup is basically 0 and 1 used for approximate match or exact match.
Okay, fine. So we'll move to data visualization tool Tableau. What is
Yes, sir.
Tableau product family? Can you bit explain and elaborate?
Sir, Tableau has five product family like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Public. In Tableau Desktop, all the development work will done here, like from creating reports and some editing, cleaning part. All the development work will done in Tableau Desktop, and the report we created in Tableau Desktop we can share through the Tableau server. and other users can also log into the Tableau server and can see the that report or dashboard we share in Tableau server. And Tableau online is nothing, but it is for data into visualization enthusiasts to play with the data. And Tableau public and Tableau online I never use, or it I think it needs some subscription to use it.
Okay, very good. Fine. What are the different data type in Tableau?
So there is six type of data type in Tableau, like string, number, date, date and time, boolean, and geography.
What is SQL custom coding in Tableau?
So SQL custom query is if we can customize our SQL query in Tableau application. For this, we can connect our source table, and in data tab there is a we search for a new custom SQL, and we can select the custom SQL query. A windows will pop up where we customize the SQL query, or add something SQL query to extract or pull the data we want for our visualization.
What is the difference between live and extract method in the Tableau?
So live method is used for real time cases. When you want a real time cases, like when you want to see the incoming of patient in hospital, we use live method. And extract method we used for when we want faster workbook, like um, we want the sales from the monthly wise sales or monthly wise patient coming. So in this live and extra function will help, and extra function will be faster than the live function, and we can automate our
Got it.
table or visualization using live and extra.
Okay. Have you ever built a dashboard in Tableau?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the challenges you face while building a dashboard?
So challenges I face that when I select there is some show me option in Tableau. It shows the compatible or enable graphs that for my table. I want some design to for my graph, but that is not available in that column. And also while we consolidate my report into dashboard, there is two option like tiled function and the uh, um, tiled and sorry sir, I can't recall that another option.
Got it.
So I can face that problem to decorate my dashboard as well as I want.
Okay. Very nice. Moving to Python programming. Okay. How much you'll rate yourself in Python out of 10?
Sir, I will rate 6 out of
Six.
10.
Okay, perfect. Is the different library you primarily use for your day-to-day activities for a data analysis work?
Sir, for data analysis, I think the pandas library is used most for the data analysis purposes. And there are I use the library like NumPy, Matplotlib, and pandas.
Okay, as you mentioned that your father is working in a startup company in Bhubaneswar, so you also
Yes, sir.
engaging in that work. So
Yes, sir.
consider a situation your father is telling hey Suprabha, I want to predict my next year business. I done 2023 to 24, and in this year, what be my performance of business? Is company my company is going to grow or not? They want to predict the future of a 2025 and tell me the scenario how you'll do the prediction from last year for current year 2025 till the December. What is the performance data and which tool you are going to use and what are the concept you are going to implement? Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I use the Excel tool for this prediction or
Mhm.
forecasting the data about 2025. And for this, I use linear regression and
Very nice.
linear regression.
Mm-hmm.
I from 2023-24 data, I created chart. In chart format, there is some format there where I choose the linear equation like y equals to x plus m something, and that there is a r square value also. Using this concept, I
You
predict
try
the.
to predict the future. Okay, predict the
Yes, sir.
data, your previous. So what are the step down? Can you make a list step down to you want to predict the data prediction using linear regression, forecasting you will do. Okay, you apply all the logic. What are the first step, initial step? Your father give you approach. Okay, you're telling that, okay, beta, I have a startup company. I have a data here. What to do? What are the steps you will take action?
Sorry, sir, I can't
Generally, generally,
know
generally,
how to answer.
the data is there, data is stored in database. You need to request for data like that steps I'm telling you. Yeah,
Sir, I collect data from the my father's office team, which you handling that entry of our 2023 and 24 data. I
very nice.
collect data
Mm-hmm.
from there and upload it into. I say him to give him that file in Excel format so that it will be easy for me to analyze in quickly. And then I choose the some KPIs like sales, so total annual sales and profit, and
Very
that
nice.
I create a graph,
Mhm.
and I apply the linear regression rule
Excellent.
there.
Okay. So you mentioned that, applying that a linear regression, there is a forecasting time series you applying. What is R square value when when you are building a model, building a time series and forecasting? Tell me which value you consider for R square to that considering this project or the value or forecasting is fit for my father business.
Sir, as per value is between 0 to 1. Above from 0.5, I will be consider it is a great model or great to uh, work with it.
Very nice. Okay, excellent, superb. Tell me the few things I want to know about. Like you mentioned that you were doing just BSc of physics, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are a fresher. Uh, why you want to look another company? Why you want to
Sir,
interested to apply our company job?
sir, in order to enhance my skill set and for better opportunity and better growth, I want to change
Okay,
my company.
better go though. Perfect. What is your strength?
Sir, I am team player and I am very honest towards my work. I am also multitasking and I keep calm in multitasking.
What is your weakness?
So my weakness is I have a stage fear like that. I can't express well in many people, but I overcome that to presenting in my team member and some places. I used to overcome that fear.
So, Suprabha, consider that we are going to, uh, select you. So,
Yes, sir.
where you want to see, like, where you want to see, 5 years from now? So, consider
Sir,
2025 now to by 2030. What you want to see yourself? Where you want to see yourself?
Sir, I see myself in a senior position. Managing the important portfolio of this company.
Okay, good. I think I'm done. I'm happy with your profile, and I'm going to give the feedback to the HR. They will go for the further down. Do you have any question to me, Suprabha?
Yes, sir. I want to know about if I selected, when can I join and what will be work for me?
So as I mentioned, that is the next round will be there. There a client round will be there. So in that round, we will get the more clear picture. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you and all the best. Good day. Thank you.